Kyrgyzstan and Turkmenistan have new promising opportunities in the areas of trade, economic, cultural, and humanitarian cooperation, as well as full mutual understanding and proximity of positions of a number of topical international and regional issues, including issues of peace, security, combating new challenges and threats. President Sadir Japarov said during the bilateral talks with President of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, in an expanded format. The leaders of the two countries discussed topical issues of Kyrgyz-Turkmen bilateral cooperation. As Sadir Japarov stressed, Kyrgyzstan and Turkmenistan are close friends and strategic partners. According to the president, one of the priority areas of cooperation in the further activation of trade and economic cooperation in the field of trade, energy, transport, and the agro-industrial complex. The head of state expressed hope for the broad participation of the Turkmen business in the investment projects of Kyrgyzstan. As Sadir Japarov noted, the promising areas of cooperation are in the field of tourism and light industry. It is possible to combine the quality of Turkmen textile with the capabilities of the Kyrgyz clothing industry. The president invited Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov to pay an official visit to Kyrgyzstan.